there! If you're looking to start an LLC in Arkansas, then you've come to the right place. This might sound like a lot at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. We will take it step by step, and soon enough, in this video, you will have your LLC up and running with no sweat. Let's dive in. All right, first things first, you need to pick a name for your LLC. So what you need to do is make sure that it is unique and includes either LLC or limited liability company in it. You can easily check if the name's available by doing a quick search in Arkansas's online database. What you need to do is keep it creative, but make sure that it is not taken. Next up, every LLC in Arkansas needs a registered agent. This person or company will handle all of the legal documents for you. If you live in Arkansas, then you can be your own agent, but a lot of folks prefer hiring a professional registered agent service. So just make sure that they have a physical address in Arkansas and are available during business hours. Now it is time to make your LLC official. You will need to file a certificate of organization with the Arkansas Secretary of State. Now, this is the paperwork that gets your LLC legally recognized. The filing fee is $50, and you can easily file it online. Fill out a few details like your LLC's name and your registered agent's info, and then you're good to go. After this, you will also need to apply for an EIN. That is your employer identification number. Now, this is like a social security number for your business, and you'll need it for tax purposes, also for opening a bank account, and even hiring employees. Now, the good news is it is absolutely free, and you can apply online through the IRS website and get it in no time. Now, let's quickly talk about the operating agreement. Now, this is not required by Arkansas law, but it's definitely a smart move. This document outlines how your LLC will be run, how profits will be split, and how decisions will be made. It's not something that you file with the state, but it helps keep everything organized and smooth. And trust me, it is very much worth the effort. Now, depending on your business type, you might need to register for state taxes. If you're selling goods or services, for example, you'll need a sales tax permit. You can do this easily through the Arkansas Department of Finance and Administration. Just make sure you're covering all your bases to avoid surprises later on. And with that, congratulations, your LLC is now up and running, but here's something very important. You will need to file an annual report with the state to keep your LLC active. The report is due every year by May 1st, and it costs $150. Just file it on time, and your LLC will remain in good standing. So, there you have it. Starting an LLC in Arkansas doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to launching your business in no time. And remember, the key is to stay on top of your filings and taxes. Keep everything organized, and your LLC will stay strong. Good luck, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tips. We'll see you next time.